We put a shovel in the ground for the first time in September, and 7 months later, we are producing respirators and shipping respirators to customers in need.
Having an N95 production site within Canada is very important for Canadians because that ensures that we can be self-sufficient.
Every respirator that goes on one of those trailers is the highest performance respirator we could possibly give our customers.
We are helping the nurses, the doctors, the hospitals. We're helping everybody out there with this new line.
It's the light at the end of the tunnel and knowing that those trailers were going to ship. You know, those respirators would be in the hands of the people that need them.
It's the beginning steps of 3M Brockville supporting Canada with respirators.
My kids are so proud every day, knowing that you're on something that is going to affect so many different people's lives. It's amazing to be part of that.